Hi students, today we are going to see the remaining sums in concept 2 and today we are going to see the third concept introduction, right? Third concept introduction. Okay, sum number 9. In triangle ABC, DE is parallel to base BC. DE is parallel to base BC with D on AB and E on AC. They didn't give the diagram. So from the question alone, we want to draw the diagram. Draw the diagram. Triangle ABC dot triangle ABC, right? For base BC, we want to draw DE parallel. DE parallel to BC. And D is lying on the side AB and E is lying on side AC, right? If AD by DB, AD divided by DB is equal to 2 by 3, find BC, right? Find BC divided by DE. Find BC divided by DE. Suppose, see, actually they have given the value of AD divided by DB. Ratio of AD by DB. Suppose they ask you to find the AE by EC or AE by AC, right? Then by using BPT directly we can find, right? By using BPT, right? Statement of BPT, we can find. But now what they are asking, they ask you to find BC and DE, right? BC and DE in a triangle, and BC DE means, so first we have to prove that these two triangles are, right? These two triangles are similar. After that, if these two triangles are similar, then the sides are proportional. By using the similarity criteria, right? By using the similarity criteria, we want to prove that, we want to find the value of BC by DE, right? BC divided by DE, right? Understood? Suppose they gave the value of, in the given, they gave the value of AD by DB, and suppose they ask you to find AE by EC or AE by AC, we can find it, right? We can find by using BPT. But here we want to find DE by BC or BC by DE, BC and DE, third side. So only if we are proving that these two triangles are similar, then only by using BPT we can find, not by using BPT, by using similarity criteria, right? Similarity criteria. Okay, given in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC and AD by DB is equal to 2 by 3. Given what we want to find, BC by DE is equal to, we want to find. So in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. I am just choosing these two triangles. In triangle ABC and triangle ADE, I am just choosing triangle ABC and triangle ADE. Angle A is common for both the triangle. Angle A is equal to angle A, common, right? And angle B is equal, right? Angle B is equal to angle D, right? Angle B is equal to angle D. Corresponding angles, right? These two are parallel line. They said that DE is parallel to BC and these two angles is nothing but corresponding angles, right? Angle B is equal to angle D. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE by AA similarity. By AA similarity. If these two triangles are similar, then the sides are proportional. There is nothing but AB divided by AD is equal to BC divided by DE is equal to AC by AE. AB by AD, BC by DE and AC by AE, right? But here, what, see, which side we are needed? You see, we know that, we know AD divided by DB. This side we are needed, AD and AB, and next one is nothing but BC DE, this one. So these two alone we are needed. So I am just taking these two alone, right? See, from the given, right, what is given? AD by DB is equal to 2 by 3. AD by DB is nothing but 2 by 3. And AD is nothing but a part of a triangle, a part of a side of AB. And DB is also, what is it? A part of a side AB, right? AD is nothing but a part of AB. And DB is also part of AB. But when we are proving that the two triangles are similar, then we are saying that the sides, right, AD divided by whole side AB. And see, if you want to find that BC divided by DE means we want to find the whole sides, right? So how we will find the whole part? They will give the part of a side. We want to find the whole part. How we want to find? By adding 1 on both sides, right? AD by DB is equal to 2 by 3. Just reciprocal on both sides, right? So what we are needed, I just need AD alone. I don't want DB. Instead of AD, what I needed? AB alone needed, right? Instead of DB, AB is needed. So I'm just taking reciprocal. DB by AD is equal to 3 by 2. Adding 1 on both sides. So DB by AD plus 1 is equal to 3 by 2 plus 1. Just do the cross multiply. DB plus AD whole divided by AD is equal to 3 plus 1 into 2 is 2, right? So DB plus AD is nothing but AB. AB divided by AD is equal to 5 by 2. Take it as equation number 2. Just compare now from 1 and 2, right? From 1 and 2, what is it? AB by AD is equal to BC by DE. Already we have found that AB by AD is equal to what is it? 5 by 2. Therefore, BC by DE is also what is it? 5 divided by 2 from equation 1 and 2. Hence it is. And hence it is, we want to find BC by DE. Therefore, BC by DE is equal to 5 divided by 2. Right? Next sum number 10. Last sum of this concept, right? If AD and PM are medians, right? If AD and PM are medians of triangle ABC and triangle PQR, right? Triangles ABC and PQR respectively, where triangle ABC, right? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Prove that AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM. AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM. You want to. So given. So just draw the diagram. We are having two triangles. ABC and PQ are the two triangles. And AD and PM are the medians, right? AD and PM are the median. That means AD is the median and D is the midpoint of BC. That means BD is equal to DC. Here PM is the median. Therefore, M is the midpoint of QR, right? M is the midpoint of QR. So, QM is equal to MR. QM is equal to MR, right? Okay, given AD and PM are the medians of triangle ABC and triangle PQR respectively, right? And given what is the one more given triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, right? We want to prove that AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM, right? Proof. First, I'm just choosing the triangle ABD and triangle PQM. I'm just choosing these two triangles ABD and triangle PQM, right? See here, angle B is equal to angle Q. Why these two angles are equal? Because already they are given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So angle B is equal to angle Q. Angle B is equal to angle Q. Therefore, what is the triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, right? Next, the sides are proportional. So AB divided by PQ is equal to BC divided by QR, right? I'm just writing that. See, the two triangles are similar and sides are proportional, right? So I'm just choosing the sides AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR, right? AB by BQ is equal to BC by QR. For the RHS alone, I'm just multiplying by both numerator and denominator by half. So 1 by 2 of BC divided by 1 by 2 of QR. What is mean by half of BC? Half of BC is nothing but BD. Half of BC is nothing but BD and half of QR is nothing but QM because D and M are the midpoint of BC and QM, right? So BD is nothing but half of BC. So instead of half of BC, shall I substitute BD? And instead of half of QR, shall I substitute QM? So AB by PQ is equal to BD by QM. Right? So if these two are equal, right? If these two are equal, the ratios are equal. AB by PQ is equal to BD by QM and the angles are equal. Then we can say that, what is it? Side, angle, side, right? Side, angle, side. By SAS property, we can say that these two triangles are similar. Which two triangles? Triangle ABD and triangle PQM, right? These two triangles are similar. If these two triangles are similar, then the sides are proportional. So AB by PQ is equal to BD by QM, right? QM is equal to AD by PM. AD by PM. But what we want to prove that? We want to prove that AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM. So AB by PQ and AD by PM. AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM. Hence it is. Understood? Concept 3. Areas of similar triangles, right? Areas of similar triangle. Actually, we are having on a theorem in this area of similar triangle theorem we are having. But for this year, they have deleted, right? They have deleted. So only by using the statement, right? Only by using the statement, we are going to prove or we are going to find, right? Whatever they ask you to find or whatever they ask you to prove, we will prove by using the statement, right? By using this statement. Areas of similar triangle. So the first concept, right, in the given itself, if it is a parallel, then by using the first concept we will find or we will prove, right? The second concept, right, we want to prove that the two triangles are similar, right? And with the help of those properties we will prove that. Here in the third concept, right, they said that they ask you to find the area of triangles, or they ask you to find the right area. The key word is nothing but area. If area, the word area is coming by using the third concept, this statement, right? This statement we are going to prove. First, just see the statement. The ratio of the areas of two similar triangles, right? The ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. Ratio of their corresponding sides. The ratio of the areas of two similar triangles. So here in this question, in the statement, see what is the condition means, right? If the two triangles are similar, if the two triangles, right, I'm just taking that triangle ABC and triangle DEF, right, these two triangles are similar, then this property will be applicable. What property will applicable? The ratio of areas of two similar triangles. What are the two triangles we are having? Triangle ABC and triangle DEF. So ratio of area, that is something but area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DEF, right? The ratio of area of two triangle is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. Square of that is nothing but corresponding sides, right? Ratio of the corresponding side is nothing but for these two triangles AB by DE, BC by CF and AC by DF. AB by DE, BC by EF and AC by DF, right? Square of that is very important. So AB by DE the whole square is equal to BC by EF the whole square is equal to AC by DF the whole square. Understood? So if any two triangles, right? If any two triangles are similar, then the area of the ratio of, right, sorry, the ratio of the area of two similar triangles, the ratio of the area of two similar triangle is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. Understood? Understood? So what is the condition? If two triangles are similar, then the ratio of area will be equal. For which it will be equal? For square of the corresponding sides. Ratio of their corresponding sides, it will be equal. Understood? So by using this statement alone, by using this proof alone, we are going to find or we are going to prove whatever they are asking. Understood? Concept 3, sum number 1. The areas of two similar triangles, right? The areas of two similar triangles are in the ratio of the square of the corresponding angle bisector segments. Same proof, right? Same actually, same thing. But here what they are asking means, if the two triangles are similar, right? If the two triangles are similar, then their areas will be equal. It will be equal to the square of the corresponding angle bisector segments. Corresponding angle bisector segment. Actually, before starting this question, we saw one statement. That statement is something but if the two triangles are similar, then the ratio of the area of two triangle will be equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. Right? At the same time, if the two triangles are similar, then the area will be equal to the square of the corresponding angle bisector segments. Corresponding angle bisector segment. Here I am just taking that AX and DY are the angle bisector segments. Angle bisector segments. I am just choosing two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle DEF. These two triangles are similar. And I am just constructing a angle bisector segment. Angle bisector means angle A has been divided into two equal parts, right? Angle D is nothing but divided into two equal angles, right? Two equal angle. AX is nothing but angle bisector segment and DY is nothing but angle D, right? Angle D bisector segment, right? Angle bisector segment, right? Okay. So triangle ABC here given, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF and AX and DY are the bisectors of angle A and angle D, right? Bisector of angle A and angle D. What we want to prove? To prove area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DEF is equal to, right, square of the corresponding angle bisector. The square corresponding angle bisector is nothing but AX by DY. So square of, so AX square divided by DY square. AX square divided by DY square, right? So now I'm just going to prove that, right? Proof if triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, right? If triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, then we know that, right, by using the area of similar triangle statement, if these two triangles are similar, then the ratio of area of two triangle will be equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. That is, area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DEF is equal to corresponding, I'm just taking only one side alone, right? AB square divided by DE square. AB square divided by DE square. Take it as equation number 1, right? Next, I'm just going to take these two triangles and I'm going to prove that these two triangles are similar. If these two triangles are similar, then the sides are proportional. So with the help of the sides proportional, I'm just going to prove that, what is it? Area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DEF is equal to AX square divided by DY square. Okay. So I'm just taking the two triangles, right? And also, see, if these two triangles are similar, right? If these two triangles are similar, the area will be equal, right? Yeah, the area of the ratio of two similar triangles will be equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. And also, the corresponding angles also will be equal. Corresponding angles will also be equal. Angle A is equal to angle D, right? Angle A is equal to angle D, right? These two angles are equal. I'm just dividing by both the half by both the LHS and RHS, then it will become, what is it? Half of A is equal to half of D. Half of A is equal to half of D, right? What is half of A? Half of angle A is nothing but BAX, angle BAX, and half of D is nothing but angle CEY. Because this AX is nothing but the line segment A is nothing, AX is nothing but angle bisector, right? Angle bisector. So half of angle A is nothing but BAX or CAX, whatever it may be. But I'm just going to take these two triangles, so I need this angle alone. So that's why I'm just taking that angle BAX is equal to EDY, right? EDY. Take it as equation number 2, right? Now I'm just going to prove that these two triangles are similar. I'm just going to take these two triangles BAX and triangle CEY. In triangle ABX or BX, ABX and triangle DUY, right? Here angle B is equal to angle E, corresponding angles, right? These two angles are equal. Angle B is equal to angle E. This is nothing but corresponding angles, right? Corresponding angles. And angle BAX is equal to, right? Angle BAX is equal to angle EDY. These two are equal. Already we have proved that, right? Angle BAX is equal to angle EDY, right? So by AA similarity, these two triangles are similar. These two triangles are similar. Which two triangle? Triangle ABX is similar to triangle DEY by AA similarity. If these two triangles are similar, then the corresponding sides are proportional. So AB by DE is equal to BX by EY is equal to AX by DY, right? So I'm just going to see, already we know that we have taken that area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DEF is equal to AB by DE, and what we want to prove, AX by DY alone we want to prove. So that's why I'm just choosing this AB by DE and AX by DY alone, right? These two alone I'm just choosing, right? So AB by DE is equal to AX by DY. Squaring on both sides, then it will become, what is it? AB square divided by DE square is equal to AX square divided by DE square. AX square divided by DE square, right? So take it as equation number 3. Just compare equation 1 and 3. What is equation 1? Area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DEF is equal to AB square divided by DE square, right? Take the equation number 1, and equation 3 is nothing but AB square divided by DE square is equal to AX square divided by DY square. So RHS of equation 1 and LHS of equation 3 are equal. If these two are equal, then we can say that from equation 1 and 3 we can say that area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DEF is equal to AX square divided by DY square. Hence it is. See, from this proof, right? From this proof, what we are learning newly, there is nothing but if the two triangles are similar, right? If any two triangles are similar, right? The ratio of area of the two similar triangle will be equal to, not only equal to the square of their corresponding sides alone, even though square of their angle bisector segment also it will be equal. Understood? That only we are learning additionally. Understood? Area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DEF is equal to AB square divided by DE square, right? is equal to BC square divided by EF square is equal to AC square divided by DF square is equal to, one more equal to, why? Because AX also here included, right? AX square divided by dy square. Understood? That is, area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DEF is equal to AB square divided by DE square is equal to BC square divided by EF square is equal to AC square divided by DF square is equal to AX square divided by dy square also. Understood? Understood? This is needed when we are they ask you to find some values, right? Even though they ask you to find the value of AX or dy, they have given the area of triangle ABC, some values are given and ask you to find something, means then we have to use this property, right? So just keep in your mind, not only that angle bisector alone will be equal, even though if we are drawing the median, right? If we are drawing the median, we are having median, or if we are drawing the altitude, right? We are drawing the altitude, similarly it also will be equal, right? We will see the proof later on, right? Thank you.